Hello, welcome to my channel. Please subscribe, like, and share. My topic is cognitive linguistics. What is cognitive linguistics? It is actually an interdisciplinary branch of linguistics, combining knowledge and research from cognitive psychology, neuropsychology, and linguistics. Language is thought of as one of human cognitive abilities alongside with perception, attention, memory, motor skills and visual spatial processing rather than being subordinate to them. Emphasis is laid on a cognitive semantics that studies the contextual conceptual nature of meaning. Piaget 1936 was the first psychologist to make a systematic study of cognitive development. His contributions include a stage theory of child cognitive development, detailed observational studies of cognition in children, as a series of simple but ingenious tests to reveal different cognitive abilities. So, cognitive linguistics. What is cognitive linguistics and its development? Cognitive development is an important aspect of overall child development. Generally, cognition refers to how we think, pay attention, remember, and learn. Language is how thoughts fly through the air from one mind to another. Language skills and cognitive skills are related to each other. Are language and cognition related? We develop a hypothesis that language and cognition are two separate but closely interacting mechanisms. Language accumulates cultural wisdom. Cognition develops mental representations, modeling surrounding world, and adapts cultural knowledge to concrete circumstances of life. How does language help cognitive development? Language and cognition are partners in child development. We use language to learn new ideas, to talk about our thoughts and fears, and interact with those around us. Language skills and cognitive skills are related to each other. Stronger language skills mean stronger cognitive skills. 10 ways to boost your cognitive fitness and longevity. Exercise to improve cognitive function. Watch TV and read actively. Take up a new hobby. Solve all types of puzzles. Play board games and card games. Visit museums, zoo and historical sites. Become a student again. Attend workshops. What is language in cognitive psychology? Language is a communication system that has both a lexicon and a system of grammar. Language has a strong influence on thoughts, and the concept of how language may influence cognition remains an area of study and debate in psychology. A role of language in cognitive psychology. Communication is the specific ability of humans to exchange their thoughts and ideas with the help of certain spoken signals and written signs which contains the definite meaning and can be successfully recognized by the participants of the communication process. Meaningful signals, signs, and symbols are combined in a complex known as language. Thus, language can be defined as the complex method which is used by humans in order to communicate with each other. More about it is important to note that language should be structured and based on the words which are stored in the people's mind as lexicon. From this point of view, If language is a system and structure to use words while speaking and writing appropriately, lexicon is the complex of those words preserving in the mind, in the human mind. Adult people can preserve 50,000 words of their first language and thousands of words of the second language in the form of lexicons. What is cognitive function of language? Cognitive function of language is defined as verbalization of analytical processes in which language is seen as a medium of intermodular integration. In other words, a link between areas of mind which perform different cognitive tasks. Jean Piaget cognitive theory. Piaget's 1936 theory of cognitive development explains how a child constructs a mental model of the world. He disagreed with the idea that intelligence was a fixed trait and regarded cognitive development as a process which occurred due to biological maturation and interaction with the environment. There are three basic components to Piaget's cognitive theory: schemas, building blocks of knowledge; adaptation processes that enable the transition from one stage to another; equilibrium, assimilation, and accommodation. Stages of cognitive development: sensory motor, pre operational, concrete operational, formal operational. What effect did Noam Chomsky have on cognitive psychology? Noam Chomsky argued that linguistics should be a branch of cognitive psychology, or the study of mental processes like critical thinking, problem solving, and of course language. He also thought that the study of language acquisition has important contributions to make to the study of cognition. Thank you. All the best.